Hey loves, I'm Brianna K. Welcome to the first Spring Clean With Me video of 2019. I hope you enjoy this extreme cleaning motivation because today we're deep cleaning my kitchen and my family room for spring cleaning. These are the first room in my house on my cleaning to-do list, but let me know what room you want to see me spring clean next in the comments below. But as you can see, the first thing to tackle and clean on my spring cleaning checklist today is my kitchen chandelier. I only do this once a year and I'm just using glass cleaner on a paper towel to clean both sides of each crystal and remove any dust. Next, we're going to wipe down all of my kitchen cupboards by diluting some basil multi-surface spray in extremely hot water. So I will be using my cleaning gloves and a microfiber cloth for this task on the checklist. But before we get too far into cleaning the cupboards, I'm so excited to introduce you to Amanda from the channel This Crazy Life. She's a stay-at-home mom of 3 boys and shares lots of motherhood style videos. She's very similar to my channel and she's sharing a whole house decluttering series, and she has tons of cleaning motivation, family vlogs, routines, home decor, and make sure to follow her for even more inspirational posts on Instagram at This Crazy Life Vlog. I seriously love her channel. I know you will too. So I hope when you're done cleaning with me over here, you get a double dose of cleaning motivation by checking out her video. Subscribe to her, leave her a comment, let her know I sent you. And if Amanda sent you here, welcome. I hope you get some extreme cleaning motivation today. And I would love for you to introduce yourself to everyone in the comments so that we can all get to know a little bit more about you. We're so happy to have you here. And if you love what you see, don't forget, share this video on your socials, tag me. It means the world to me and it really helps new friends to find this channel. All right, so I'm just going to continue wiping down all of my cupboards with that basil scent, which smelled so fresh and clean for spring. And I always encourage you to put this video on and truly clean with me and use this as a checklist as you clean around your home. But as I go, I'm also using a countertop spray in a pear blossom agave scent that is amazing. It paired really nicely with the clean basil scent and the kitchen smelled heavenly. Next on my spring cleaning checklist in the kitchen, you can clean your microwave and your stovetop with me. The only reason I'm not deep cleaning my oven is because it has a self-cleaning system. I run that once a month and that keeps it pretty clean. So I don't need to do a spring deep clean right now, but I'm using a degrease spray inside of the microwave and on the stovetop, and then using glass cleaner for the stainless steel surfaces. also use the same glass cleaner to clean my fridge and the dishwasher to get all of the fingerprints and drip marks that accumulate off, and it makes it very streak-free. Next up on my spring cleaning checklist is the molding around the kitchen as well as the pantry door, making sure everything gets a good wipe down with the same microfiber cloth with that diluted basil multi-surface spray. Another spring cleaning to-do item is to wipe down all of the kitchen chairs. I'm using that same microfiber cloth. Then I'm using wood cleaner and wood polish in an almond scent to wipe down the entire kitchen table from top to bottom. Next on the spring cleaning checklist today, if you're cleaning with me, is to clean all of the windows in the kitchen. Now I'm spraying down my trash bins with antibacterial cleaner and giving them a good wipe down. In the summer, I'll probably take them outside and hose out the insides. And the spring cleaning item checklist, I feel like no one likes cleaning the baseboards. It hurts my knees, but I sprayed some wood cleaner on a microfiber cloth and I'm wiping them all down. Next on the spring cleaning checklist is a deep clean of the kitchen sink. I put some vinegar in a plastic bag and I secure it to the faucet with a clothespin so that the vinegar can sit there. It cleans any gunk and buildup off the faucet. And then I squirt dish soap and sprinkle lemon surface scrub into the sink and use a sponge soaked in very hot water, and I scrub around the entire sink. I also run the garbage disposal so it smells fresh and lemony and clean. And then I used an old toothbrush to scrub around the rim of the sink and around some of the gunk that had built up around the crevices of the sink handles. And then finally, I wipe all of the gunk off the faucet and rinse everything down and wipe away any excess water. To finish off the kitchen spring clean before we move to the family room, I'm going to do a mop of the floor using my Hurricane 360 mop. I'm obsessed with this. I didn't clean out my pantry or fridge today because both have gotten some attention in the new year pretty recently, but the next time that they need a good clean out, I will be sure to film it and share it with you. All right, moving on to the spring cleaning checklist for the family room, starting with a good dusting of the mantle and the shelves, so going top to bottom in here. Next on the to-do list is to clean off the coffee table and dust the entertainment table as well. And this next spring cleaning task has gotten so much easier since I got my Dyson vacuum. But next on the spring cleaning checklist is to vacuum all of the blinds. And there's an attachment that has a bunch of bristles. It helps get all of the dust swept off and sucked up. And then after this, I'm going to clean all of the windows in the family room. Then I'm using wood cleaner to wipe down all of the wood framing around the windows. Next on the spring cleaning checklist, I'm wiping down the baseboards in this room. Now it is time to vacuum off the couch. I changed the suction piece to a wider rotating brush and I'm vacuuming the sides, taking off the cushions, vacuuming beneath them, vacuuming all sides of each cushion so that all of the dust that has gathered or crumbs that have fallen in between the couch are all swept up and cleaned. I freaking love seeing the vacuum lines in the couch. Does anybody else find this so satisfying or is it just me? Now it's time to vacuum the carpet and the floors in here. The kids' toy bins always shed a little bit, so I wanted to do a good sweep under those too. And here's the cleaning products I use in this spring clean video today. I'll have a link to Grove Collaborative where I ordered them from in the description box if you want to check anything out, and you get a free gift set. So it's a great deal if you need to stock up on any spring cleaning products, but thank you in advance if you use my link for Grove. And get ready because there will be a spring decorate with me video coming soon on my channel. Here's a sneak peek. Make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notifications turned on so that you see it first. And the final task on the spring cleaning checklist is to mop the floors. Don't forget, check out Amanda at This Crazy Life for more cleaning motivation. And I hope that you got some extreme cleaning motivation from this first spring cleaning video on my channel for 2019. Click the thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope to see you in my next video. And feel free, you can check out these other videos in the meantime as well. Bye, loves.